In this video, we've seen a library, the PySimple Morse code, that translates Morse code to text and text to Morse code. We especially used its GUI tool. We didn't use its functions, but we had an issue with the Morse to text conversion. The last letter of the conversion wasn't rendered correctly. We compared it with another library from this video, and we've seen that the conversion was correct using this library. So I wanted to try the functions of that library to see if they convert correctly or not. So we have the encode string to Morse, and we have also decode Morse to string that does the contrary. So first we are going to use a string. For example, we are going to say use a string value, str value, variable with the value, the string value, and other string. This is the phrase we want to convert to Morse. So here we have our string value. It has some parameters, for example, the character, the separating character. Here the space is the default value, and the variables. Do we want the display of conversion, messages, etc. I set it to false to control the printing of the messages. I'm going to recuperate the result of this call, Morse code, and put it here as the parameter of a second function, decode Morse to string, that will do the contrary. It will convert Morse code to string. This is where the issue happens in the GUI interface. So here I'm going to give the parameter Morse code, and it has other attributes. We have the word separator, how or what is the character used to separate the words, and also the char separator. These are the default values. Now I'm going to convert or to test the conversion. The final result, strs, must be equal to the starting string and other string. So I'm running the code here. So we have, this is the Morse code, and this is the resulting string, the one we started with. It looks like the conversion is correct. So I'm going to copy this line and use it here to see if it's possible to have the same results using the output result here. We also have the same result. Now we are going to get the result from the GUI interface and try to convert it. So we have, when we call the GUI interface, we have to use the -m option to use the module of this library. So we have another string, going to copy this value, Morse to text, repeat again, and we still have this issue. It will always happen, always the final character will be incorrectly decoded. If you use only one character or try to convert one character, it will not be converted. So I'm going to use the same phrase, but there is an issue here. Another one discovered with this function is that you have to specify the separator. Here, obviously, the separator between words is this space /bar. But when you set it, it will not work. First, I have to stop to end the converter task. You can see here the separation between the words didn't get recognized correctly. So I'm going to delete this character and use the normal separator or the default one, and the code again. You can see that the string was correctly decoded. So the issue with the conversion, with the string conversion, is the separator. So even if I use only the slash as word separator and not using the spaces, I will still have this issue. Again, the only one that worked for now is the double spaces. So there is now another issue, the separator, here the word separator, how to work with the word separator given by or used by the GUI interface, and how to correct or what is the issue with the GUI interface. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.